Hello everyone, I am Prism Micaela Dimaran, and for this video, I'm going to explain the parts of digital camera. So, let's start po. So as you can see here, we have shutter speed ISO. Ang main purpose ng shutter speed ISO is to control how long the camera can let the light in a faster speed, freeze action. And kung slow speed action naman po ang meron ang shutter speed natin is mas madaming light ang kaya nitong i-accommodate. However, the image can be in a blur motion. So next part po is the film advance lever. Ito po siya. Yan, ito nasa likod ng shutter speed ISO. Ito yung lever, yung film advance lever. So, ang main purpose naman po ng film advance lever is to move fast forward yung film after taking the picture. Also, to ready the film to make another shot. So, next po natin is the shutter release button. So, itong shutter release button po natin is ito yung button na pinipindot natin para magkapag-take ng picture. Now, let's proceed to frame counter. So, ito yung frame counter. Ayaw mag-focus. Ayan, ito yung frame counter natin. Yung purpose po ng frame counter is to determine kung ilang shots na po ba ang nagawa natin sa ating film. Ito yung nagsisilbing indicator para malaman kung nagamit na ba natin yung mga shots natin or hindi pa. Next part po is aperture ring. So here in aperture ring, it just adjusts the size of the lens opening or the aperture to control how much light enters the camera. Siya yung responsible sa pag-adjust ng size ng opening ng aperture natin para makontrol yung light na kayang ipasok dun sa camera. Then next is distance scale. Distance scale shows how far away objects are from the lens and what will be in the focus. So dito naman po, dinedetermine nito or pinapakita nito kung gaano kalayo yung object natin or yung object na pipicturean natin sa lens, and ito din yung responsible kung paano ba siya i-focus. Next part is focusing ring. So here in focusing ring naman po is tinutulungan nila or it helps manually adjust the lens to make the subject sharp and in focus para maging mas focus yung lens natin sa isang object. Ito yung nagiging silbi ni focusing ring. So ito yung tatlong yon. The aperture ring, itong aperture ring natin. Ito, dito, aperture ring. Tapos, distance scale, and the focusing ring. So, let's proceed naman po sa ating back part ng ating analog camera. So, we have here the viewfinder eyepiece, which is this. A small window kung saan nakaka-help para i-focus yung ating object or kung saan natin makikita yung object para ma-focus natin siya sa pag-shot. Next part is the rewind fork. This is the rewind fork. It helps somehow to rewind the film after or kapag gusto natin siyang ibalik sa cartridge natin. Ito yung ating rewind fork. Then also we have here our film cartridge chamber. Dito, ito. Film cartridge chamber. Dito kung saan natin ilalagay yung ating film. Dito siya nilalagay sa loob. So next part is the battery chamber lid. Ito ang ating battery chamber lid. Dito nakalagay yung ating battery sa camera analog. Dito siya pinapasok. Next part is the tripod sockets. Ito, ang tripod socket natin. Ito ay isang small hole lang kung saan pwedeng i-attach yung ating tripod para mas steady natin yung ating camera kapag gusto natin magkuha ng picture or ng shots. So next part is the film guide rails. Ito yung ating film guide rails dito. Ito. Dito naman para hindi kumubet yung ating film or yung film natin kapag mag-a-adjust na tayo ng film into another or magsha-shot na naman tayo ng ating object. Ito yung pinaka-guide natin para hindi siya malihis or hindi siya kumubet. Next part po natin is the film sprockets. Ito yung film sprockets natin. Yan ang film sprockets natin. So yung film sprockets natin is a small gear that engage with holes in the film to move it properly through the camera. So ito yung nag-help para mabilis natin napapaswitch or nalilipat yung film natin into another shots. Part is the camera back. This is the camera back. Ito yung pinaka-cover ng ating camera sa ating camera analog. Ito yung nagsisilbing takip ng ditong part na to. Ito siya. So next part is the film pressure plate. Ito yung film pressure plate. So itong film pressure plate naman is will keep our film flat and in place. Ito yung responsible para maging intact or maging in place pa rin yung ating film after taking or while taking a shot. So next part is the film cartridge confirmation. This film cartridge confirmation is a small window lang kung saan makikita natin or masisilip natin if our film was loaded to our camera. That's all. I hope you understand or learned something about our analog camera. Now, let's talk about naman sa our digital camera. So, sa digital camera natin and analog camera, there is no somehow difference sa mga parts. Meron siguro mga nadagdag doon sa digital camera kasi digital na nga siya, mas modernized na siya imbis doon sa analog camera. Sa analog camera kasi, we use films doon. While in our digital camera, we use memory cards like that and USBs. Also, sa mga analog natin is gumagamit tayo ng batteries, while our digital camera, we use still batteries but somehow rechargeable. Yun na yung kinalamang niya. And also, our our digital camera is more convenient now in our times kasi kahit saan pwede natin siyang madala. And yung our digital camera, dahil hindi na siya gumagamit ng film, mas madami tayo natitake na picture. So, let's talk about our parts of our digital camera. So, ito yung front part ng ating digital camera. So, we have here the built-in flash. This is the built-in flash. The flash made button. Ito yung button niya para ma-operate natin yung ating flash. Next is the bracketing button. This is the bracketing button. Next is our infrared receiver. Ito, infrared receiver natin to. And the BKT button. This is the BKT button. Next is the built-in microphone. Next, our lens release button. This is our lens release button. Ito yung button para ma-release yung ating lens. Next is the cover for USB, HDMI, and external microphone connector. Ito yun. Ito siya. Nilalagay yung mga microphone natin. Ito yung pinaka-cover ng ating mga microphone na built-in. Our HDMI, our USB type port, our USB mic port. Dyan. Ito yun. Then, next is cover for accessory, formal, and headphone connector. Ito siya. Dito naman yung sa ating mga microphone. And yung mga iba pa nating mga accessories, mga phone connector, ito siya, ito yung cover niya. Next part natin is mode of buttons naman. Ito yung mode of buttons natin. Ito siya, mode of buttons natin. Next is focus mode selector. This is our focus mode selector dito. Ito yung pinipindot natin para kung ano yung pwede nating i-focus, kung saan tayo mag-focus. Next is exposure. This is exposure. Then, lastly is mirror. This is the mirror. So, that is the front parts of our digital camera. So now, let's proceed to the back part of our digital camera. So, we have also here, viewfinder. Katulad dun sa ating analog camera, ang digital camera is meron din tayong viewfinder dito. Tapos, next is the cyber eye cap or the rubber eye cap. Ito yung rubber eye cap natin. Nakapalibot siya sa viewfinder. Next is the button delete format. Dito naman, if gusto natin i-delete yung mga pictures na nakuhanan natin, pwedeng itong pindutin natin. So, next part is playback. So, ito yung playback is para ma-review yung mga pictures na ating nakuhanan. So, next part is LCD monitor. Ito yung LCD monitor. Dito makikita yung mga objects na ating kukuhanan or iti-take ng pictures. Next part is health or white balance protector. Ito siya. White balance protector natin. Next part is playback zoom out ISO button. Ito naman. Kung gusto natin i-zoom in or zoom out yung ating mga objects or yung exposure ng ating camera at yung pipindutin. Next is the quality size. Ito, quality size. Ito ang pipindutin natin sa quality size. Next part is digital controller. Ito yung pinaka-controller natin dito. So, next part is the speaker. Kung yung kinukuhanan natin is video and may sound, dito natin maririnig yung mga nakuhanan natin. Next is the main command dial. This is the main command dial. Next part is live view lever. Ito yung live view lever natin. Then number 15, button video. Ito naman kung gusto natin mag-video. Itong pipilitin natin. Next is the memory card cover. This is the memory card cover. Dito natin nilalagay yung ating memory card. Kung doon sa ating analog camera, gumagamit tayo ng film. Dito naman sa ating digital camera is gumagamit tayo ng memory card. Then, next part is the OK button. Yung OK button, if may mga Doon sa menu, kung meron tayong gustong i-select or gusto natin baguhin, yung OK button ang pwede nating pindutin. Then next is the infrared developer. This is the infrared developer. 9 is the focus lock. Ito yung focus lock. Kung gusto natin na sa isang bagay lang yung focus ng pipicture natin, ito yung gagamitin natin. Next is the memory card light. Dito mo ma-identify if meron bang memory card na nakalagay dito sa ating digital camera. Then the last one is the button info. Dito naman makikita natin pag pinindot natin itong button info if kung ano yung date, yung time na nakuha na natin yung isang object. And that is the back part of our digital camera. So I hope you learned something about our digital camera and the difference between our analog camera to our digital camera. That's all. Bye!